Hi everyone. So I realized that prompt is being sold on social media. Okay, but I'm not here to sell prompts or to teach you with money or to charge you. I'm here to just take you through on how to achieve prompts. It's quite easy. It's not something that you have to sweat or pay money for. Yes, you heard me right. But the only thing I would like you to do for me is to like, comment, and share my video. All right, let's go straight to the tutorial. Just get any image you like, get any image you like, upload it on ChatGPT. When you upload it on ChatGPT, say, I want to recreate, I want to recreate this image. I want to recreate this image. Acts as a prompt engineer and analyze the photo, and give me a prompt. Okay, so you send it. When you send it, ChatGPT will answer you. It will give you the analysis of the image and everything. Okay, here is it. Good. Good. Because I've trained my ChatGPT to always give me negative prompts. If you look at it on the stream, it has a negative prompt. No, the negative prompts are prompts that will, that will make the AI to avoid some certain errors, like making it blur, or sometimes you will see that when you look at the finger of the image that it's created, it will look somehow. Okay, so that is a negative prompt. It will avoid it when you attach a negative prompt. Okay, so I also want to tell you to, you know, if you look at the last part there, always look at the suggestion that ChatGPT always give you. Look at the suggestion and work with it. Say, would you like me to optimize this one specifically for Gemini AI? So I will just say yes. Okay, it's here. So because it's what I use often, you see, it's showing me, it's giving me all these things. Okay. So for yours, it might not be like that. So as I said, look at the suggestion that it's giving you. Work with the suggestion. When you read through the suggestion and you want and the suggestion is what you want, work with the suggestion. Okay. So here, just copy the prompts like this and go to your I have my AI is always on browser. Okay, it's on browser. I don't download apps because of space, so I just go to my okay. So here is it. I just paste the prompts and voila, it's done. That's all. So even if it's not Jimmy you want to use. You can also use Noliado. There are different kind of AI tools. So add your specification to it. Add your specification. Ask it to write a prompt based on the AI tool you want to use. And that's all. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. And as I said, like, share, and comment. Thank you so much for listening. So I'm going to send the picture we use is going to be on the comment section, so you see the resemblance. Okay.